The DPP will consider charging a doctor and 2 nurses involved in a radical cancer therapy that had tragic consequences. As Jamie Freestone explains, an inquest has found the treatment accelerated the deaths of 4 patients.
Natalie Squire's mother was at her most vulnerable when the family turned to alternative medicine.
She was very unwell and we didn't have any legitimate options left. She was under an oncologist. We pursued every conventional treatment.
Sandra McCarty was one of 4 cancer patients who died just days after starting intravenous cesium chloride injections. A 5th patient, 29-year-old Carmelo Vinchulo, died weeks later. The treatment was conducted at the Mosman Park home of Dr. Alexandra Boyd and was under the guidance of its Austrian promoter, Dr. Helfried Sartori. The patients paid thousands for what was touted as a cure for cancer. But today, Deputy Coroner Evelyn Vicker found the potentially toxic injections had instead hastened the patients' deaths.
We were given half-truths and less than half-truths.
The Deputy Coroner said Sartori used the patients as paying experimental subjects. They were given serious misinformation about the risks and as a result were not prepared for imminent death. Ms Vicker recommended registered nurses Merrilee Baker and Simone Facey, who helped administer the treatment, and Dr Boyd be referred to their registering authorities. The Deputy Coroner said the nurses and Dr Boyd should have sought conventional medicine for the patients as soon as they started to deteriorate. She said if they'd done so and stopped the treatment, they would have been able to die in more appropriate surroundings with their loved ones by their side.
We were robbed of that opportunity and that's particularly hard to take.
Ms Vicker also referred the matter to the DPP to examine whether criminal charges should be laid against those who contributed to the deaths.
The truth is out there, so to speak. I believe it's given us a chance to release her memory to a more peaceful place.
Jamie Freestone, 10 News.